Hello, pie lovers. Get ready to brighten your day with a slice of pure sunshine. Today, we're making the most incredible sour cream lemon pie. It's tangy, creamy, and surprisingly simple to create. You'll need a pre-baked pie crust, of course. For the filling, gather fresh lemons, eggs, sugar, and the secret ingredient, sour cream. A touch of butter and vanilla extract will round out those amazing flavors. First, whisk together your sugar, lemon zest, and fresh lemon juice until fragrant. Then, beat in the eggs one by one, ensuring everything is well combined. Gently fold in the sour cream, melted butter, and vanilla until the mixture is smooth and luscious. Pour this delightful filling into your pre-baked crust. Bake at a moderate temperature until the center is just set with a slight jiggle. Don't overbake. Let it cool completely on a wire rack, then chill for at least 4 hours. Once chilled, your pie is ready to dazzle. Top it with a dollop of whipped cream or fresh berries for an extra touch of elegance. Every bite is a perfect balance of sweet and tart. This sour cream lemon pie is perfect for any occasion, from family dinners to special celebrations. It's a true crowd pleaser that tastes like pure joy. Give it a try and share your delicious results.